to be a part of us and play along in this little quiz on our Odisha. Stay tuned for an exciting Kahoot!
You know that Odisha was formed in 1936, but did you know that it was formed based on the actual Odia language? We should be proud of our uniqueness. Our history is just so glorious. Our Paika Bidroha started the first revolution that eventually led to an independent India. Our Jagannath culture, Ratha Jatra, define who we are.
One quick announcement before we start. For the Kahoot at the end, please make sure to ready your phones. Please type kahoot.it into the search bar, kahoot.it, and make sure you're ready when the code comes up on the screen. Put your nickname in, and if you're joining from another state, put your state in that nickname. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreya. Thank you, Shreya. हो एबे आमे आपण मानकु किछिटा क्लिप्स देखेबा कोन ना क्लिप्स आमे कहबानी आपण माने हमकु कहबे क्लिप्स ता को विषय तापरे आमे आपण मानकु किछिटा क्वेश्चंस पचारिया क्लिप्स विषय चलो आमे आरंभ करिबा
What is this clip about? We know that this is Ratha Yatra. Odia mananku pai eta Ratha Yatra na Ratha Jatra. Is it ya or ja? Of course, it is ja. So it is Ratha Jatra.
अरे वाह ये रथयात्रा सेलिब्रेशन तो कितने बढ़िया देखा जाची but look here our king the Gajapati Maharaja has a broom in his hand एठी कोना होची
अरे तू जानी नो ये होची छेरा कोरा रथ उपरे सुगंध चंदन जल छिंचिबा परे गजपति महाराज हातरे सुना झाड़ू धरी रथ सफा करंती तापरे रथ टणा आरंभ हुए हाँ मिष्टी सत कथा कहलु राजा हेउबा प्रजा छोट बड़र फरक को दूरेई देवर शिक्षा दिए एही महान परंपरा This ritual showcases that in the eyes of Sri Jagannatha, every single bhakta is equal, be it king or common man.
Okay, it's time for the next clip. You know, I found it very interesting. During the British rule in India, there was no such state called Odisha.
Are you sure? ताले हमरे ओडिशा स्टेट ता केमती हैला तू जानी जो कि ता विषय रे
Yeah, let's call Shivangi to tell us that story.
Yes, Shreya Misty. The story of the foundation of Odisha is breathtaking. ଭାରତର ମାନଚିତ୍ରରେ ହଜି ଯାଇଥିଲା ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ସୀମାରେଖା ଦୀର୍ଘ 200 ବର୍ଷ ଧରି ଭାଗ ଭାଗ ହୋଇ ରହି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଓଡ଼ିଆମାନେ ଅନ୍ୟ ରାଜ୍ୟର ସୀମାରେଖା ଭିତରେ ଭାଷା ସଂସ୍କୃତି ବଞ୍ଚି ରହିଥିଲା ଓଡ଼ିଆର ହୃଦୟରେ ଅଗଣାରେ ପଡ଼ିଥିବା ଝୋଟିରେ ଚଉରାର ମୂଳଜରେ ଓ ଭାଗବତ ଟୁଙ୍ଗିରେ ବିଂଶ ଶତାବ୍ଦୀର ପ୍ରାରମ୍ଭରେ ତେଜି ଉଠିଥିଲା ସ୍ୱାଭିମାନୀ ଓଡ଼ିଆଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱର एकजुट होते ओडियामाने मधुबाबूंका डाकरारे 1936 एप्रिल पहला दिन गठन होइथिला ओडिशा ओडिया भाषा को भित्ति करी
Whoa, that's amazing! Thanks for letting us know about this, Shivangi. We now know that Odisha was formed based on the Odia language. This is the same language that connects us with our roots. And our roots are our grandparents and great-grandparents. But wait,
people that fought against the Britishers for the sake of our Odia identities. Who are those Swabhimani Odia?
As Odias, we should know these courageous people. They are the ones who have given us pride to be and say that we are Odia. आमे सेही महापुरुषों पाई आज निजको ओडिया बोली गर्व करूछु. Let's meet some of these heroic people right here and right now.
Utkola Gaurav Madhusudan Das.
উৎখৰে উৎকল সন্তান উঠিবু তো কেতে দিনে পূর্ব গৌরব পূর্ব সাহস পড়ু নাহি কিরে তোর মনে তো পূর্ব পুরুষ জয় করিতেলে গঙ্গা ঠারু গোদাবাড়ি তাঙ্করি অরসু জন্ম হইতু কেউ গুণে তাଙ୍କୁ সারি
व्यास कवि फकीर मोहन सेनापति.
उत्कल जननी अछंती चाही कर किछि कार्य लोकंको पाई पछकुटा हेले कार्य साधने किबा प्रयोजन सेई जीवने.
उत्कला मणि गोपबंधु दास.
विषुमर देह ए देश माटीरे देशवासी जाई जानतु पिथिरे देशर स्वराज्य पथे जेते गाढ़ पुरु तही पड़ी मोर मांस हाड़.
स्वभाव कवि गंगाधर मेहर.
उच्च हेबा पाए करो जेबे आशा उच्च करो आगे निज मातृभाषा.
वंदे उत्कल जननी.
Another chapter of history. Acha Aditi, tu Paika Vidraha kona janichu?
पाइका विद्रोह से पुणी कौन?
It was the first Indian armed movement to gain independence from the British.
That's so interesting.
You know, when our parents used to study history in their school, they knew that Sipahi Vidraha was a thing. And that happened in 1857. And that was also the first Indian armed movement to gain independence from the British.
Wait, but Shreyas, what do you mean by new? Is history saying something different now?
You're right, Aditi. There's a new page that has been added to our history books recently. Let me call our friend Anya to tell us about this glorious part of our history.
Hi Anya.
Hi Mishti and hi all. Yes, the story of Paika Vidraha is our pride. 1817 British अनुशासन विरुद्धरे खोड़दागड़ा पाइका मानकर रणबीरी दोहलाई देइथिला परक्रमे ब्रिटिश मानको. बक्सी जगबंधुଙ୍କ नेतृत्वरे अनुप्राणित होइथिले अगणित ओडिया. हाथरे खंडा ढाल धनुतीर धरी सामना करिथिले गोला बारूदको. अस्तव्यस्त होई पड़िथिले ब्रिटिश सेना. भारत स्वाधीनता संग्राम प्रथम स्वाक्षर रखिथिला ओडिया पाइका पुआ.
I'm getting goosebumps by just listening to this story. Thank you, Anya, for telling us about such an exciting and important part of Odisha's itihasa. Hold on. Do any of you guys hear horses galloping?
Yes, we do. Where is it coming from? Is it really a horse?
Is this the page from our Odisha's itihasa? तेबे ये कौन बक्सी जगबंधु का घोड़ा टापुर शब्द?
Watch out, everyone. We are entering into the time of the Paika Vidraha.
ना और नुहे फिरंगी मानक अत्याचार मुंडपति सहित ପାଇକ ଶରୀରରେ ଶେଷ ରକ୍ତ ବିନ୍ଦୁ ଥିବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଅନ୍ୟାୟ ବିରୋଧରେ ଲଢ଼ିବୁ ଆମେ ଏକାଠି ହୋଇ ବିଶାଳ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ସେନା ସହ ଲଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହୁଅ ବୀର ଓଡ଼ିଆ
ମୁଁ କୁମୁସାର ରଜା ମୋର 400 ସୈନ୍ୟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସହଯୋଗ ଦେବେ ସେନାପତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମହାରାଜ ଆମ ସେନାବାହିନୀ ଏ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ
ବିଦ୍ରୋହର ସ୍ୱର ବାକ୍ତି ଗଲେଣି ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ସେନାପତି ବକ୍ସି ଜଗବନ୍ଧୁ ହଜାର ହଜାର ଜନସାଧାରଣ ଯୋଗ ଦେଲେଣି ଆମ ସହ
ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମନ୍ଦିରର ପଣ୍ଡା ପଧିଆରୀମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବିଦ୍ରୋହରେ ମିଳିତ ହେଲେଣି
ଜାଗି ଉଠ ବୀର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପାଇକ ବିଦ୍ରୋହର ଝଙ୍କାର ଗୁଞ୍ଜି ଉଠୁ ଗଗନ ପବନରେ ବୀର ଜାତି ଓଡ଼ିଆର ପରିଚୟ ଅକ୍ଷୁର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରହୁ ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ
Rebellion is spreading all over the places. We're having a hard time to fight against the Odia Paika. We need more troops and weapons to stop this Vitroha immediately. This is no more a regional rebellion. Paika rebellion has taken shape of a national rebellion now.
आपण मैंने Kahoot पे ready? अच्छा, please go to kahoot.it and type that into your web browser and please wait for the pin to show up. Then please put that pin in and put your nickname in as well. Acha, ଏବେ pin ଆସୁଛି. The pin is 186182. Please type that into the pin space in kahoot.it. Mona, Dinesh, Trishna, Arya, Devanshi, Rahim, Bisha. Okay, a lot of you guys are joining.
Please remember to put the abbreviation of the state that you're from if you're not from New Jersey. And please put your real name so we know who you are. Yeah.
Please put in your real name so we can read it out once we, yeah.
Okay, I think we have enough.
Alright, everyone start Kaiba. Okay? Thank you Uncle Auntie for joining and thank you all of my friends too.
Good luck, everyone. All right, number one. What order do do the Rathas go in Ratha Jatra? Is it